share the bold ambition to accomplish greater things in life. Be prepared for a ruthless performance by the brothers of the new chapter of Iota Nu Delta!
Up there too. What's good?
Dang, Raj. Back at it again with the brown chuckles. This your dad?
Yeah, ever since you started showing him those stupid DJ Khaled Snapchat videos, he keeps stealing my bless up slides, and I am stuck with these.
Yeah, whatever. Anyways, you hungry? Let's grab some food.
Are you crazy? I have so much work to do for Orgo.
Yo, what's the matter with you?
Do you know who that girl is?
I think she just transferred here.
She's the most beautiful girl I've ever seen in my life. I think I found my Sapno Kirani.
I mean, she got more facial hair than you though. Go holla, man. I haven't seen you this excited since you found the circumference to make the perfect roti.
Are you insane? She's not even Guju. My mom would kill me.
I mean, it doesn't matter now. You missed your chance. Let's bounce.
Yo, I can't stop thinking about that girl. I need her to like me.
Get it!
Khaled guy is super funny, yaar. Let's see, what do we have for dinner? Chef D, what's good, yaar?
Chef, what's good? Mafi, what's good? But I guess all you do is watch this DJ chat snap all day. If you don't stop this rubbish nonsense, I will not make any food for you.
They don't want us to eat.
Hey Dad.
Oh, another one.
Kemcho beta, how was school? It was I. Arey, what is this IT language? You've been around that study kit too much. You need to start focusing on the grades. There should be absolutely no distractions.
Major key alert.
Speak with that. This is my code for it.
Oh, good. A, another one. A plus, a plus. B plus? What is this B plus? Why you get B plus? You're Asian, not Basian.
Dad, it's cause...
Yeah, shut up the hell out of your mouth. You've been messing around in the classrooms, you the cool guys. After TV today, bun. Mobile bun, computer bun, mummy bun, daddy bun, friends bun. Studying, bathrooms, eating, drinking, sleeping, waking, going outside, coming inside. Bun. Major key to success, ekdam bun.
Dad, that's not fair. We need one class.
Go to your room and study.
Okay.
Wait, listen here. Your mother and me are going to Puppy Uncle's house for some time. We'll be back later. Peace, bro.
Yo, what's poppin'?
Studying. My parents are making my life miserable.
Yo, there's a party. You trying to go? It's gonna be lit.
Are you kidding? I can't leave the house. No one's home. I have to study anyways. I got my Calc 8 exam soon.
Yo, you gotta go to the crib? You trying to throw a banger or what?
No, my dad's gonna take away my breathing privileges too if he finds that out.
Don't worry, bro. I'll just invite a couple of my boys.
Okay, that's fine, but no one else. I don't want a big mess.
You're worried way too much, man. Just level up.
Let him know.
He's right. I gotta stop stressing with my parents because Jine ke hai 4 din, right?
Yeah! We did that in 2011. status. We did it.
What the heck? What are you doing? You said 2 to 3 people. You brought the entire town. My dad's gonna kill me. It's my mom to do this. Oh my god, I'm dead.
Relax, chill out. Everything's gonna be fine. I think you're gonna approach the girls.
Hey, don't touch that. Put that down. Yo, take your feet off the couch. My dad is gonna kill me. Don't mess with the TV. My mom has all of her serials recorded on that. This is gonna end badly. Hey, so are you the square root of -1? Because you are unreal. No, wait. I guess I was trying to say that I like you.
Aw, I think you're cute too. Maybe you should call me sometime.
Get it!
Yo, Sonny, I got her number. This is so much better than an arranged marriage.
Let's get it. We'll take it one step at a time, though.
I'm so happy right now. Let's party. Arey Bhagwan, holy Krishna, Mother! What is going on here? I just mopped the floor this morning. Do I look like your maid? Mom, Dad, I can explain. Shut up! Everyone get out of the house!
Congratulations, son. You've played with yourself.
Oh my god, my TV, my cereals. Oh, Dad, I'm really sorry. But there was this girl.
Oh, dekho, girl. Look here, son. Now that she's not listening, let me tell you a story about how I met your mother.
Dad, please, don't take 9 seasons to tell me this.
No. What I'm trying to say is, if you're her bunty and she's your bubbly, you go after and make it lovely.
I see you, Dated. You changing?
What the hell?
Oh!
Damn.
What's that? What's on your shirt?
What's on
What's
your
that?
triangle, bro?
Jay, you gotta stop being dubs. We are the brothers of the I-O-I-O-T-A!
Yeah, Jihad! They're killing it, dude. Absolutely killing it. Clean. Clean as shit. Not one mistake. Yeah, John. Yeah, Jihad. Yeah, Romel.
I'm Romulus! Oh!